This Valentine's Day, skip the usual stock images on social media and get creative by making your own. The best part, it's fast and absolutely free with Leonardo AI. If you're not acquainted with Leonardo AI, check out the link to my other videos in the description. But for now, let's create a Valentine's Day post together. Head over to the Realtime canvas and begin by selecting the color for the background. Remember, the upper slider helps you choose the color, while the lower slider adjusts the opacity. Slide it to the left for more transparency as needed. Now select a color for the brush and we can begin drawing. I want to create small hearts that come together to form the shape of a heart. I'll even add some red hearts in between. Afterward, I'll draw a larger heart around the smaller ones, but I'll make it somewhat transparent. As you can observe, the image on the right keeps evolving based on my drawings. However, the AI seems a bit confused, possibly due to my limited drawing skills. To address this, I'll need to be more specific in my prompt about what I intend to draw. Now the AI understands my intention and produces a heart for me. Take note that there are several ways to influence the image. One factor is the style, which is currently set to concept art, and I personally like that style, so I'll keep it as it is. However, feel free to change it to your preferred style. Another important factor is the creativity strength, which guides the AI on how closely it should follow your sketch. Lower settings make it adhere more to your drawing, while higher settings encourage more creativity. Additionally, you can impact the AI's output by modifying the prompt. Once you have an image you're satisfied with, you can use it as a base image instead of your initial sketch. Simply click on Output to Input, and it transfers the image on the right to the left. Now, let's make a few adjustments by modifying the creativity strength and adding some more information to the prompt. I like this image, but the generated text is bothering me. I'll switch to InPaint to remove the text. In the InPainting prompt, I'll simply say, same background. And for the brush, I'll choose a color similar to the background of my image. Once I brush over the text, the image on the right seamlessly removes the text. I'll do the same for the text at the bottom, and there we have it. If you're satisfied with the image, click on Download, and it will download the image on the right for free. Even if you're on the free plan in Leonardo, which grants you 150 tokens each day so far, we have not consumed any tokens. Clicking on Instant Refine, which visually improves your image, won't cost you any tokens either. Once again, you can download the image for free at this stage. Only when you click on Upscale Image will it cost you tokens. Let's do that. You won't see the upscaled image here on this screen. For that, you'll have to go to your image feed. Now let's take it a step further and animate this image. This will cost you 25 tokens. But if you're on the free plan in Leonardo, remember that your token count will reset every 24 hours. So every day you'll get a chance to use up to 150 tokens. Animating the image takes a bit longer, but there we have it. A unique animated image you can use for your social media post. You can save this animated image as an MP4 file. Afterward, you have the option to upload it directly to social media. Alternatively, you can take an extra step by visiting Canva and utilizing the Magic Design feature to incorporate your video into a personalized post. For instance, you might label it as an Instagram post for Valentine's Day. Instead of selecting Canva's suggested templates, choose Start from Media and upload your newly created video. Canva will then provide various templates for customization, whether for your personal post or business. Finally, download the finished video as an MP4 file and share it on your preferred social media platform. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you'll join me soon in my next video.